Hi, good morning, one and all. Today we can discuss about a very important topic and very important weightage topic that is Annelida. Ani indicates little ring, Ida indicates worms. Little ring like worms. Basically, based upon their structure, that is called as a little ring like worms. Now we can go for the habitat. Habitat is what type of habitat? Some organisms is free living and some organisms is the ectoparasitical nature. If the organism is depend upon the another organism in outside of the body, that parasite is called as a ectoparasites. And then symmetry is what type of symmetry? Bilateral symmetry. Layers is three layers, that is the triploblastical nature. Level of organization is the organ system level of organization. The first time true coelom is seen in the annelidas. True coeloms is two types. One is the schizocoelom, another one is the enterocoelom. Schizocoelom means, now suppose this one is the body cavity. In this body cavity it is divided like a pouches, like a blocks. That type of coelom is called as a schizocoelom. And then locomotion, this what type of movement? Hydrostatical movement. What is hydrostatical movement means? Now this one is an organism. Inside they having a fluid. This fluid is pushed backward and organism can move forward. It indicates they can use the fluid for stiffness purpose and the organism is moving forward. That type of movement is called as a hydrostatical movement. And then circulatory system. Circulatory system is what type of circulatory system? Closed circulatory system. That's why in annelida first time closed circulatory system, first time true coelom can be seen in the annelida organisms. And then digestive system. See here, the digestive system is the complete digestive system. They having a mouth and anus. And then nervous system. Nervous system is the double ventral nerve cord. Double ventral nerve cord means, now all the nerve cells can be concentrated at one point, that is called as a ganglia. All the ganglia is combined, they can form a nerve cord. This nerve cord present to two, that's why that is the double. Present in which side? Ventral side. Suppose now this one is the dorsal side and this one is the ventral side, front side. That's why the nerve cord is present in the double ventral nerve cord. And the excretory system, they having a kidney. That kidney is called as a metanephric kidney. Metanephric kidney indicates they having a nephrons. The structural and functional unit of kidneys is known as a nephrons. If that kidney is present, that kidney is called as a metanephric kidney. And then respiration. Here you can see the respiration is what type of respiration? Cutaneous respiration. What is meant by cutaneous respiration? The respiration is takes place through skin or outer layer of the skin. That respiration is called as a cutaneous respiration by the process of diffusion. What is diffusion? If the substances is moved from the higher concentration to the lower concentration, that process is called as a diffusion. And then reproduction. Reproduction is what type of reproduction? Sexual reproduction. Some organisms are monoecious, some organisms are dioecious. Dioecious indicates, I already said, male organ, it means male organism is different, female organism is different. The best example of dioecious is called Neris. Neris is commonly called as a sandworm. And monoecious. What is meant by monoecious? Both male reproductive organs and female reproductive organs present in the same body. That organisms is called as a monoecious, or also called as a hermaphrodite. That's why earthworm is in a hermaphrodite. And then skeleton, they can having a outer mucus layer, and also they have also called as a hydrostatic skeleton is present. Now see see I already said annelida means little ring like worms. Now this one is an organism. Organism is divided into small segments like a half ring like structures. If the organism is divided with the segments, both externally and internally. That is called as a metamerism. That's why true metamerism is first time seen in the annelids, and each segment they having a small thread like structures, that is called as a setae. By the using of the setae, it is mainly used for locomotion. Locomotion means the organism can move from the one place to the another place, that is called as a locomotion. And also for nervous organisms, not only setae, they having another specialized structure, that is called as a parapodia. This parapodia is mainly useful for the swimming. That's why parapodia can be seen in the nares. Nares is commonly called as a sandworms. That's why. And also the first time respiratory pigment, that is called as a hemoglobin, is present in the annelids. And then development is the indirect development. I already said indirect development means compulsory they having a larva. That larva is called as a trochophora larva. It will be divided into three classes based upon the setae. One is the polychaeta, another one is the oligochaeta, third one is the hydrodinia. Next class we can discuss about each and every classes.